In this video, we will be learning how to find an RO. First, click on the Write Up button located on the top row. Then click Find. This will bring up the search window, which will then default to search for the RO number. If you know the RO number, type the number in the box and click OK. The RO will populate the Write Up window. If you don't know the RO number, but you do know the name, phone number, license plate, etc., you can find it within any of the parameters listed on the box titles. Once you find it, click OK, and it will populate the Write Up window. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find an RO.